after the rain this afternoon, we're going to get the sheep and goats from pasture. They should be coming soon. I think they're coming now. I had a good day in pasture. They were there. Come on, guys. We even got the baby lambs in pasture now, since they're all over a week old. Bellies are full. Look at this one. This last one's belly full. Whew. So they'll go into the corral this afternoon, and we'll probably, I think we have some molasses for them as a treat. And look at this one. On the way to the corral, he has to go get a little lime, tangerine tree. They're small, but not fully ready. Yeah. So, but they should go right into the corral. Let's go! It's nice though that the rain was only for a couple hours, and then it let up. Because sometimes we have to get them in the rain, you know, especially if it rains all afternoon. But today it rained like from 2 to 3, and so they had more time out in pasture this afternoon. There they go in the corral. And on the way, a few more. Inside, let's go, inside, let's go, baby. Good job, let's go. Come on. The water's inside. Let's go, guys.